ऐरोली के प्रथम विधायक और नवी मुंबई बीजेपी के युवा जिलाध्यक्ष संदीप नाइक के जन्मदिन पर बेलापुर स्थित नवी मुंबई बीजेपी जनसंपर्क कार्यालय में अभिष्ट चिंतन समारोह का भव्य आयोजन किया गया। युवाओं के प्रेरणा स्थान तथा नवी मुंबई के विकास में कड़ी की भूमिका अदा करने वाले संदीप नाइक को जन्मदिन की बधाई देने न केवल कार्यकर्ता और समर्थकों का तांता लगा, बल्कि विविध सामाजिक और धार्मिक संस्थाओं और उद्योगपतियों ने भी मौजूद रहकर संदीप नाइक को जन्मदिन की शुभकामनाएं दी। तो खुद संदीप नाइक ने रिटर्न गिफ्ट के तौर पर सभी को भारत का तिरंगा भेंट देकर उनमें राष्ट्रभक्ति की भावना जागृत की। आगामी विधानसभा चुनाव के मद्देनजर बेलापुर विधानसभा से इच्छुक संदीप नाइक के समर्थकों ने इस दौरान आमसर ठरले का नारा देकर संदीप नाइक की उम्मीदवारी के साथ उनकी जीत भी सुनिश्चित कर दी।
On behalf of Dakshin Bharatiya Cell, I wish Mr. Sandeep Ji Naik happy birthday. He's a young and energetic guy which we got, and we all know that when he was a standing committee chairman in Navi Mumbai Municipal Corporation, he has done a tremendous job. He has really given a breath to entire citizen, especially in Navi Mumbai. Now, my personal request to him that he is energetic. We need an energetic leader in Belapur area. So, entire Dakshin Bharatiya Cell is requested him to stand, because the reason is that he knows Navi Mumbai very well. He had trained under Sri Ganesh Ji Naik, and he know that you all know that Navi Mumbai is a mini India. People from Jammu Kashmir to Kanyakumari, people are staying here, and he is very friendly with everyone, whether it is a rich, whether it is a poor, whether it is from the village, whether it is from the city. And whatever complaint we reach to him, he is always ready to help us. What we want, our leaders should help our citizens. And my humble request to him on behalf of Dakshin Bharatiya Cell, that you should stand for CBD assembly election.
We would prefer him to be the MLA of Belapur constituency, because see, as it is with generations, we have to change. When the younger generation comes in, you will always see new things coming up, modern things coming up, which are, as of now, they are required for the city, the development of the city.
On the occasion of the birthday of Sri Sandeep Ji Naik, on behalf of Dakshin Bharatiya Cell, Navi Mumbai, I, as Secretary of the South Indian Cell, I wish him all the best. We expect him to come forward, and we require an energetic leader from Navi Mumbai, because it is just like Bombay. This is also become very big city now. So we need an energetic leader from Navi Mumbai. That is my request. So we will support him in his all efforts. He is very inspiring, and whatever speech he gives, very brilliant speeches he makes. I have never seen a politician like this in this area. Very intelligent and inspiring leader.
So Sandeep Naik sir is a youth dynamic personality. So whenever there is a requirement for society, even we have seen during COVID times, he was on ground. Secondly, being youth, he is very much popular among youth, especially with the sports facilities that he have been promoting. Like it could be cricket or any other sports facilities he have been promoting. And earlier we used to have that Amdar Chashak. So like especially when he was MLA in Airoli constituency. So I have personally seen that in RF Naik ground. So Kho-Kho, Kabaddi, all such kind of sports he have been promoting. And he is very much approachable. A person, whenever we try to reach him, he is anytime approachable person for any kind of issues. So that is some good qualities that he have. And I have never seen him losing his temper. The smile he carries on his face, so that makes some a very approachable kind of personality in him.
भाजपा जिलाध्यक्ष संदीप नाइक ने अपने जन्मदिन पर मिले शुभचिंतकों के प्रेम और आशीर्वाद के लिए उनका आभार माना और अपनी सेवा को निरंतर रखने का विश्वास दिलाया।
नक्कीच या शुभेच्छा आहेत आणि तेवढ्याच या सर्वांच्या अपेक्षा देखील आहेत। यांच्या माध्यमातून मला मिळालेली सकारात्मक ऊर्जा, आशीर्वाद, शुभेच्छा हे नक्कीच माझ्या येणाऱ्या काळामध्ये एक चांगलं काम करण्याकरता, सामाजिक कार्य करण्याकरता एक नक्कीच मला शक्ती प्रदान करेल असा माझा विश्वास आहे। बाकी कार्यकर्त्यांची, पदाधिकाऱ्यांची आणि नागरिकांची इच्छा आहे की मी बेलापूर मतदारसंघातून निवडणूक लढावी आणि नक्कीच मी त्या अनुषंगाने तयारी देखील केलेली आहे। माझं काम देखील सुरू आहे। ह्या गोष्टीचा जो निर्णय असतो तो पक्षश्रेष्ठी करत असतात आणि नक्कीच एक न्यायिक भूमिका, एक न्यायिक निर्णय हा नक्कीच या विधानसभेच्या अनुषंगानं, माझ्या अनुषंगानं पक्ष घेईल असा माझा विश्वास आहे.
ब्युरो इनपुट EW नेटवर्क.